Hey, y'all.
So it starts like this. My wife calls me. I'm at work. She starts telling me a dream that she had the previous night about organic fruits and
then
vegetables.
I see this computer. And so I just put it together. And months ago, I was just saying that the Lord was showing me that there was going to be an organic computer. Not knowing. But breaking news.
Well, you probably never heard of a brainoid or an organic computer, but you get it here first today.
These right here, they are tiny human brains grown from human brain cells. They say that these are similar to actually premature babies. They're just a disembodied brain, that's all they say. They're grown in a lab. Some call them brain in a dish. Because they are human cells, they also need the oxygen. Listen to this. I wrote this down. They need oxygen, water, nutrients, proper balanced diet. Vitamins, yep. Minerals and glucose. Yes, to stabilize sugar for energy production. And they need sleep and rest for the brain to have juvenation. So, these brainoids, 16 of them actually go to a chip. However, thousands are being maintained and grown. And there's been an advancement in keeping them alive. At first, they would only live for 30 days, then 90 days, then they kept them for 100 days alive. And now they're keeping them alive up to a year. And remember, you're feeding them. They need exactly the nutrients, everything. So yes, they do die. They die! You have to keep refreshing the chip. So this company called Final Spark, they're the ones that started the tiny brains in a dish. That's why they call them the brains in a dish. They have already put one of these brain chips, human brain chips, into a spider robot that it even performed greater than even human. Well, with Final Spark, you can buy a subscription to even use their computation of these brainoids. $500 a month. And many universities and scientists have already clicked in and adapted to be able to even use. That's why we got the advancement of putting this brainoid on a robot spider. And the universities and the scientists are just helping them be smarter and be more efficient. Actually, a brain cell even played ping pong and even picked up and known. And when it was doing something wrong, it shocked it with. But what the dark side of all of this, I'll say, as they have developed profiles, okay, that matches similar to developing fetus, then develops to a baby, and they are tiny. Researchers have already claimed that they already have feelings. They have emotions. Some will say no, but there is scientists that have focused on that particular to say that there has been reacting brainoids to different emotions. In China, it's reported that it's already put a brainoid, a brain chip computer, already on a robot that can act, think, just like a brain, that actually has then the arms, legs, everything it's connected to. I don't want to go into theory and what I heard that happened with different robots and humans when creating this. However, I know that God is so faithful that I would have never dreamed of an organic computer. I did dream, but never would have ever dreamed that it was a reality. As even I was saying, I guess we're going to have organic computers one day. I was actually laughing, not realizing what this organic computer was. Live brain cells. They say the pros, it's going to be able to advance all kinds of science and health and but what is the bigger picture of all this? Oh, and about that brainoid in the little robot spider. Look it up, but go ahead. I mean,
It actually learns at a faster rate. Therefore, they're kind of saying it's smarter than the actual human.
because you only have to teach it one time.
And it takes
One
off
time.
from there.
And then it teaches itself. Also, they was pretty shocked whenever they were experimenting on this a long time ago. Just want to let you know, they didn't even know that it would grow these eyeballs that you see in the brain in the dish, the brainoids. Soon. Yeah. You will be able to have an organic computer. They already have made them. They're only being used right now to the special scientists and, medical researchers. But it will soon be a reality that you can too own an organic computer. Just like the Lord showed me in my dream. And brainoids, they get sick too. They need antibiotics to make them better. I don't know. Machine and human coming together. Think about it. Research it. You'll see.
You heard it here first, folks.